Hello students, we have another application of determinants, finding equation of a line passing through the given 2 points. See, any line passes through 2 points because 2 points always determine a line. The problem arises about the third point. So we always assume a third coordinate x comma y, third point coordinates, and then we'll try to equate the slopes as we used to do in 11th standard, that whenever 2 points are given, first we find the slope y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, and then we'll take any one passing point and we apply the formula y minus y1 is equal to slope times m times x minus x1. So, but in this case, in determinants, what we are trying to do, we know that whenever 3 points are collinear, then area of triangle is 0. So these 2 points along with the third point x comma y, these 3 points are collinear. So because of that, the area of triangle made up of these 3 points will be having these vertices, these 3 given vertices will be 0, and then corresponding determinant is 0. And when we solve the equation of this determinant equal to 0, this equation if you solve, you will get area of triangle in terms of x and y, 2 variables. Okay. So we have a question, find the equation of the line joining 3, 1 and 9, 3 using determinants. So according to the rule, we try to assume the third points coordinates. Solution: let the point x comma y be any third point with the given 2 points. Third point collinear, we should add this word, collinear with the given 2 points. What are these points? 3, 1 and 9, 3. Some students directly they say that, sir, the first coordinate is 3 times the second coordinate, so x should be equal to 3y. Well and good, it's their intelligence. But if they are asking for 2 marks, 1 mark question, it's okay, you can identify the equation. Sometimes it happens like this, but we have to find out few more options also. Okay, so maybe we may always be right, or sometimes we may find ourselves right but actual answer is different. So it's better you keep on solving, track yourself on the right path, and then you try to match the answer. Okay, so these are the 2 points. Third point is this: since the determinant, this is x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3, directly you apply the determinant. Consider determinant this is x1 x2 x3, so x1 is x, x2 is 3, x3 is 9, y1 is y itself, y2 is 1, and y3 is 3. And here we'll put 1 1 1. This is equal to 0. This determinant has to be considered equal to 0. If you consider like this, if you want to directly open, you open the values. Okay, but what I'll do, I wanted to make these 2 elements 0 by applying R1, R2 changes to R2 minus R1, and R3 changes to R3 minus R1. Therefore, the determinant will become what? X, y, 1. This will be 0, 0. And this will be what? 1 minus y. This will be 3 minus y. This will be 3 minus x. This will be 9 minus x. This is equal to 0. So expanding along the third column, we'll get the value. Only this particular minor indeterminate will be left. Here it will be opened like this, plus, minus, plus, and this element along with this determinant will be feasible, will can be written. So it is what this implies: 3 minus x into 3 minus y minus 1 minus y into 9 minus x. This is equal to what? This is equal to 0. This is equal to 0. So you open this bracket. So 3 into 3 is 9 minus 3y minus 3x plus xy. Then it will be minus x, but this minus will make it as plus. Then this is minus x, 1 into 9, 9, so it will be minus 9. Minus x, so it will become plus x. Now minus 9y, so it will become plus 9y. And last is plus xy will make it minus xy equal to 0. So this minus xy and plus xy quadratic term will get cancelled, which implies that we are still in the linear domain of equations. So this will minus 3x plus x will be minus 2x. Minus 3y plus 9y. Minus 3y plus 9y will be what? Plus 6y. And plus 9 minus 1 will get cancelled. So as we planned earlier, that intelligent students can definitely make it out that x is equal to 3 times y. Here we are definitely getting that equation. 2x, this 2x can be thrown out that side. So 2x is equal to 6y. This implies x is equal to 3y is the, or x minus 3y equals to 0 is the required equation of line joining these 2 points. So it's very important concept also. You can be asked for 1 or 2 marks using application of determinants. Okay. So I hope you understood this video. So we stop the area of triangle concept with this video, and now the next videos, upcoming videos will be videos comprising of system of linear equations x in x, y, z, 3 variables, and their consistency, non-consistency, infinite solutions, unique solutions, and then thereafter you start the very most awaited concept of solution of system of linear equations using determinant method or matrix method, and how finding inverse, adjoint method and all. So in order to start system of linear equations, we'll have to go with the, again we have to revise the concepts of minors, minor determinants, cofactors. In one of the video earlier, I have told you that what are minors, what are cofactors and all. But again, I'll repeat properly and we will try to study in detail. Okay. It's a very, very important concept, upcoming concepts. So now get back to your seats. Okay.